Hey, this is Tony Tiefenbach, and I wanted to personally thank you for signing up for the webinar training that's coming up specifically for coaches and consultants. You should be getting all the details in your inbox right now. Now, if you're a coach, consultant, author, speaker, online services professional, or information marketer, then this webinar training is going to be very eye-opening for you, because this is exactly what me, my clients, and my closest friends are doing to build high six-figure and low seven-figure businesses while still delivering great results to our clients and still maintaining our lifestyles. Now, I've got to say this isn't some MLM scheme. It's not a business opportunity or some magic bullet tactic or software. If that's what you're into, feel free to unsubscribe right now and not waste your time. This is for people who have businesses, are in business, and are currently serving clients. Now, the problem is that most business owners have what I call a throw shit at the wall business model. And what that means is basically, I'm gonna make about $2,000 to $10,000 per month working my ass off, taking on whatever work somebody's willing to hire me to do. I'm gonna do anything and everything they ask me to do. I'm gonna have really bad boundaries and let my clients walk all over me. And I'm gonna do way more work than was promised because I really do care about the clients that I have, and I wanna prove I'm worth the pennies they're paying me. Now, the bottom line is, the people who are making between $25,000 and $100,000 per month have three critical elements working in their favor. And we're gonna break these three things down in great detail on the webinar. But I wanna give you a little sneak peek here. So number one is they're charging significantly higher fees. And on the webinar, I'm gonna be covering exactly how you can charge more for your products and services and this is the big one, and find people willing to pay more for those products and services. Now, the second thing I'm going to share with you is exactly how to set up your marketing and sales funnel so that you can truly create a waiting list of pre-qualified prospects wanting to speak with you that can truly run 24/7. Imagine new qualified leads coming in every day. And third, I'm going to show you the exact resources and foundational building blocks that you need in place in your business to start using this model to raise your level of play and your income. The webinar itself is going to be about 90 minutes, so come prepared with a pen and paper so you can take lots of notes. Also, we're going to be doing some live Q&A at the end of the webinar so that we can answer any questions you have about how this model might apply to your business. Now, if you already like what you're hearing and you want to get on the phone with me personally to help you map out what it's going to take to get your business to $25,000 to $100,000 a month, click the link below and tell me a little bit about your business. My assistant Tina will reach out to you to set up a call. And just know that I can't take everybody. But if you're not quite ready to talk, no problem. We'll see you on the webinar. Take care.